Okay, firstly we need to unscrew these 4 screws and get it out, and use the screwdriver unscrew these 2 also. And put it out carefully. And get where disconnect. Okay, get out this lens module. Okay, unscrew these 4 screws. This is the focus board. Please pay attention to the connection, the wire connection, and move these 4 copper screws and okay, this is the lens module. This is the main lens module chip, and this we need to open. Firstly, to unconnect the wires. Put it in beside it, and remove these 4 screws. Okay, this should be very carefully, and find the good one, good chip. Open it carefully, because we need proof any dust get into the main chip. This is the main chip. Okay, we need to put the good one back to the lens and give it back, and about done. Okay, we have replaced a new one, and get this 4 copper screws back, and exactly the position. Pay attention to the position. Give it back. And give this back. Pay attention to the position. This one, get back to this cable. So you need to be very carefully to take a photo of the original wire. How is the wire going? Maybe different batches has different cables connection method, so you need to take a photo to make sure where is the position. Okay, and back to the give the focus board back to the lens module. The focus board is on the top of the the lens module chip. Okay, screw back all the screws and make sure the connection is good. Everything is well back to normal. Okay.